Does your contracting business still thrive on paper-based memos, purchase requisitions, invoices, contracts, and drawings? At the end of this video, you are going to ask yourself why you aren't implementing AutoPRO Workflow Management System in your organization to increase your revenues. Today, the contracting business industry is moving away from the legacy systems and reinventing their processes and workflows by implementing digitization. Studies have shown that in business, an average document gets copied 19 times and 50% of professional time is spent looking for information, while it takes 18 minutes to locate a document on average. Moreover, going paperless has led to improved efficiency, increased profitability, lower costs, and greater reach. Today, it is no longer a choice, but a must-have to shift to online approvals and digital workflows. However, shifting to digital workflow and approvals is never recommended without a robust software solution in place, with properly mapped processes. AutoPRO has helped hundreds of organizations globally to transform their legacy processes to digital and to achieve 70% growth in the productivity and cost savings. AutoPRO is built specifically for the contracting business industry, unlike other generic project management softwares that need complex customization. Hello, I am Nick, Senior Consultant at AutoPRO Software Solutions. Today, I am going to show you an example of how easy it is to do away with the legacy paper-based document system. Specifically, I will show you how to start digitally signing your documents, imprint your company stamp, annotate your documents, and send to other stakeholders, requesting them to digitally sign the documents, who may or may not be a part of your organization. Tom, an experienced document controller, works for a contracting company that uses AutoPRO. Tom creates a drawing for review, adds his signature, and shares with Brenda, the engineer, for review. Also, Tom can add annotations to the drawing. Brenda reviews the drawing and shares it with Stanley, an external designer. Stanley then shares the same with Brian, the project manager. After due diligence, Brian can send an electronically signed drawing to the client. All of this is achieved faster than the paper-based process, and with the convenience of everyone working from their home, office, or any other remote location. AutoPRO software allows you to create a visual rule-based automated workflow for completing an activity. In this case, you can see a workflow created based on rules with simple drag-and-drop interface. Now, let's see how simple it is for Tom to create a design drawing and share it using AutoPRO. Each document has its own QR code and can be printed too. The easy-to-use interface of AutoPRO software makes it simple to create a drawing document with a simple wizard-like interface and submit for review at the click of a button. Brenda can see the list of activities in the tasks that need her attention, including the one created by Tom. After review, she can approve and forward the document to Stanley, the external designer. Brenda can upload additional documents and include her comments too, and click on the subscribe option, which will notify her automatically of any changes or comments added to this document. Stanley receives an alert on his mobile device about the document needing his review. He reviews the drawing and has options to approve or reject, with comments, if any. The time to complete feature ensures that all the stakeholders can see the deadline for review and approval. Brian, the project manager, as soon as he logs into the system, is presented with powerful dashboards of the status of the project and the deliverables. He is alerted to his urgent approval needed on the document and can see the entire audit trail on the document. After due diligence, he shares the drawing with the client. The document is received by the client, and he can see all the activity on the document by different stakeholders. He can add his digital signature and approve the same. That too, all from his mobile device, and with a copy of the same emailed to him for record keeping. We have worked with several clients, and recently a client who upgraded to AutoPRO was able to process 17 purchase requisitions per day, compared to 4 PRs per day before going digital. AutoPRO has turbocharged their approval cycle, resulting in more than 400% increase in the productivity. For another client, a drawing approval process used to take an average of 29 days. After using AutoPRO, the cycle time was cut to 6 days. That's an impressive 80% optimization of the approval cycle. AutoPRO enables organizations to cut costs, increase revenue, and expand market share through features based on artificial intelligence. For anomaly and fraud detection in procurement processes, predictive analysis for upselling, contactless document tracking using Power Apps, customized reports and dashboards for end users. Visit www.autoprosoft.com to request a free proof of concept today.